Hi, Glenn Andrade here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without subscribers. Now, if you're trying to make money with YouTube and you're just starting out, or perhaps you've been at it for a little while, you're probably frustrated with YouTube's partner program because it seems they're making it harder and harder every year to make money from YouTube views, and quite honestly, you need a ton of subscribers and video views to make any kind of decent money using their Adsense partner program. But today, I'm going to show you how you don't need to rely on getting millions of views and subscribers and how to use the best methods for making money on YouTube. Now, there are several ways that you can make money on YouTube, but almost all of them require that you have a ton of subscribers or some sort of following in order to get started, because they do rely on how many views you get. But the strategy that I'm going to tell you about today eliminates that altogether. And that strategy that I'm talking about is affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is not anything new. It's been around for a long time, and the concept is pretty simple and it's pretty great. But basically, I'll explain it in a nutshell. It's when an online retailer pays you a commission for traffic or sales generated from your referrals. So it's usually a really quick three-step process that's entailed in it. So basically, you recommend a product or service to your visitors, and you'll be doing that with using YouTube. And your visitors purchase the product or service using your affiliate link. So this is a link that's associated to your account, and you get paid a commission for the sales made using that affiliate link, your affiliate link. Now, there are affiliate programs for just about any product you can think about. And this is really great because for most people, or for a lot of people, it's easier for them to start off by promoting and reviewing products that they're already familiar with, products that you already use and love, something that you use every day perhaps, or whatever it is. It just makes it easier for you to create a simple, honest review about those types of products. And you can, all you have to do is promote that, create a video, and now you're in business. Now, if you do a simple search on Google, there's tons of sites and resources that will point you to different types of affiliate programs. This one I just found, it lists the top 16 affiliate programs that are out there. I'll just run through a few of these just to give you a good idea. But the number one that's listed here is a site called Share a Sale Affiliates. They've been in business now for 17 years, it looks like from here. And I'm an affiliate of this, and it's really great. They pretty much anything you can think of, they have an affiliate program for it. Different types of merchants, different types of products. As you can see here, they have flexible payout options and wide selection. This next one is called Salvid Affiliate. They offer 20% commissions. Now, what you'll find is so for example, within here they have different merchants and stuff. So each one has their own commission payout. So you'll have to go in and figure out, how much commission. I'm sure you've all heard of Amazon. This one is really a great, it's a great program, but one of the downside is that they don't offer very high commissions. I think the highest is it says 10 here, but I do believe they might even have one that goes up to 12, but it's pretty rare. Most of them I would say are between 3 and 6. But the positive on this is that everybody knows Amazon, so the conversion is much higher. Plus, Amazon, if somebody finds your product that you're reviewing on your video through your link, and they purchase another product within 24 hours or even in that same session, you'll still get commission for that. So that's a good plus. Another one is eBay. I'm sure everybody's familiar with it. They also have an affiliate program. So anyway, I'm not going to run through all of these. Shopify, ClickBank, these are all stuff you can go in and really, if you're serious about it, go in and find an affiliate program for a product that you would want to start promoting. And it really, that's the best way to get started. So as you can see, this strategy, it doesn't matter how many subscribers you have. You can still make money. In fact, going the route of affiliate marketing, it's great because you don't need to create your own products. You don't need to have your own website. You don't need to worry about inventory. You don't even need any employees. The only thing that you'll need is to drive traffic to your video. And this is great news because down below, I have a link. You can opt into my latest free training on making money with YouTube. And it's part of a 10-part free training where I go over every day. I teach something new about making money with YouTube. But you're also going to get access to a free training that shows you how to get free traffic by ranking your videos #1 on Google and YouTube. And this training is by an underground internet superstar. He's actually cracked the code on doing this, basically getting listed #1 on YouTube and Google, and he's sharing the secrets in this training. So be sure to opt in below, and remember, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below, hit the notify button so you can get notifications on my latest videos, and stay tuned for my next video where I talk to you about the differences between free traffic and paid traffic and why free traffic is the way to go. I'll see you then.